Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, breaking news coming out from Abuja. The Supreme Court has thrown away Atiku Abubakar and Pete Obi's case. In fact, they don't throw them away. They say it lacks merit. Tinubu is your president. Nobody will challenge him again. The Supreme Court has ruled that Atiku Abubakar and Pete Obi they have no case. Their case is lacking merit, so they have thrown it away. Tinubu is your president. This thing is coming out from Abuja, from the Supreme Court, as a breaking news this afternoon. So that is it. Why I am making this video today, because we promise that we will keep tabs with this very topic as it unfolds. And today, I think the Supreme Court has led to rest this very topic, this very case. So Atiku Abubakar and Pete Obi, they can now go and rest. And those of you who are their supporters, who are hoping or thinking that somehow there will be a miracle and Atiku Abubakar will become the president, or Pete Obi will become the president, and Tinubu will be thrown out by whoever, or by God, boy, whoever, maybe you can go and sit down and find something to do. Okay, we told you, I told you, I said it. Those of you who are following me, those of you who are following this very page, know that I said that there is nothing that can be done, that Tinubu has become the president. Listen, Nnamdi Kanu said it. In fact, Nnamdi Kanu has said things like this, has said it several times. Nnamdi Kanu said that after what they call him, the former president, that is Buhari, that Tinubu, they will give it to Tinubu. He said it, that was in 2015 or 2016. Nnamdi Kanu said it. And it is happening today. It is clear that Tinubu is the president. Nnamdi Kanu also said that your PVC is useless. Your PVC is useless. That it is the INEC, it is INEC that determines who becomes the president, or who becomes your governor or your senator. It has happened. Nnamdi Kanu said it. It has happened. And I have told you that Nigeria is irredeemable. You can't redeem Nigeria. In fact, those of you who are calling yourself we are Nigerians, those of you who are loyal to Nigeria, you are the one giving Nigeria legitimacy. You are the one giving Nigeria legitimacy as a state. I told you, I don't want to say much about this. I want you to watch the video, and I want you to see the video where, number one, the video where the Supreme Court judges were giving their verdict, and where Seyin Tinubu was laughing. You can see Seyin Tinubu behind Nyesom Wike. He was sitting behind Nyesom Wike, and he was laughing as the Supreme Court judge was giving their verdict. They know that this is going to be like this. Seyin Tinubu is the son of the president who flew to Kano last time with a private jet just to go and watch one sporting activity. You remember him, Seyin Tinubu. He is the president's son, who is moving about as the first son of the president and first son of the state, and he is the one using the private jet, going everywhere he wants to go. He fly private jet as the son of the president. So I want you to watch the video anyway, and I want to beg you to calm down. Everything shall be all right, just the way your pastors normally tell you to calm down, to chill down. They normally make you to mellow down. And again, there is something I observe about this Nigerian court system. You know what they do is they understand, they know how to handle you guys. What they do is, when they know that the verdict or the decision they are going to make will cause a kind of rancor, it will cause a kind of some quarters will not take it well. What they will do is they keep cutting it half by half, part by part, are giving it to you. They don't want to break the kola nut once and for all, so that you won't catch a heart attack. That is, I know they might understand how they do it. You remember the last time the Supreme Court sat, Supreme Court said that Chicago State University, the report that they gave is that it is conflicting, that Chicago State University gave conflicting reports about Tinubu's certificate. You see that they say it little by little for you will understand what they are going, but you won't get it exactly completely, so that you won't have heart attacks. So today they have broken the coconut. Today, so I want you to go ahead and watch the video. You will see everything by yourself. Please don't forget to share this video. Don't forget also to follow us on this page, because on this page we'll be bringing you interesting videos, news, and stories to entertain, educate, and also inform you. Go ahead and watch the video in full. Thank you.
Was delivered on the 26th of May 2023. This court cannot allow the matter to be re-litigated in this very court. There must be an end to litigation. For us to sit down now and talk about when this man resigned or did not resign, when they did a fresh conference or fresh primaries to replace him, which we have done before. We are not going to do it again. This matter ought not to have come here. When the matter was pending at the trial court, this court delivered that judgment. If you read the judgment of the lower court, they mentioned it. That Supreme Court, this appeal lacks merit and is thereby dismissed. My lord, to my right, Abaji.
I agree with my learned brother, Justice John Ian Okoro, that this appeal, number SCCV 937, 2023, Mr. Peter Gregory Obi and the Independent National Electoral Commission lacks merit, and it is also dismissed by me.
My lord, Garba Jesse.
I also totally agree with the lead judgment that this appeal substantially canvass the same issues with the appeal number 935, 2023, which this court has very comprehensively dealt with. And there is no need for us to repeat ourselves because the issues are the same. The only issue that's different, like pointed out by my learned brother, the PJ, is that about double nomination, which you have settled. And we do not intend to reopen it again in this appeal. On the whole, I also join the lead judgment to dismiss this appeal for lacking in merit.
My lord.